I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus markers, highlighting their distinct applications. Excel excels at organizing large datasets, performing intricate calculations, and generating detailed reports. Markers, on the other hand, are perfect for spontaneous ideas, collaborative whiteboarding sessions, and quick visual explanations. We'll explore how each tool serves different needs, from precise data management to dynamic creative expression. Understanding these core differences helps you choose the right tool for your task. Excel's power lies in its ability to manage and manipulate extensive data. You can quickly input thousands of entries, apply formulas for automatic calculations, and ensure data integrity. Its robust features allow for sophisticated analysis, such as pivot tables and statistical functions. Furthermore, Excel makes it simple to create professional-looking charts and graphs, transforming raw numbers into clear, actionable insights for presentations or reports. It's an indispensable tool for data-driven decisions. Markers offer a unique, hands-on approach to communication and ideation. Their simplicity encourages free-flowing thoughts and collaborative engagement in real time. You can quickly sketch diagrams, jot down key points, or illustrate concepts without any technical barriers. This directness fosters creativity and makes them excellent for group discussions, workshops, or impromptu explanations. The tactile experience of writing with a marker can also enhance memory retention and understanding for many learners. While Excel offers unparalleled data processing, it demands a digital environment and a learning curve for advanced features. Markers, though great for quick visuals, lack the ability to easily edit, search, or share information digitally, and physical notes can be lost. The best approach often involves using both: markers for initial brainstorming, then Excel for detailed organization and analysis. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific task and desired outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.